Hi children, welcome back in our online IEO classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video we have finished first lesson. Now today we have to start the second lesson. Okay? So let's see, it is our second lesson and its name is synonyms. Students, now you are in class 3, okay? Means from 3 years you are learning about synonyms in your grammar subject and in your English also. So what is meant by synonym? Synonyms are words, okay? It is one type of words. There are many types of words are there. Synonyms, antonyms, adjective, pronouns, nouns, verbs. Okay, different words are there. The types of so many types of are there. Okay, students, synonym is also one type of word only. It is all a related vocabulary. Okay, so which type of words are known as synonyms? So students, simply I would like to say you synonyms means what? The words having same meaning. Okay, the words having similar meaning are known as synonyms. Okay, it's very simple and easy definition to understand synonym. What is synonym? The words having similar meaning are known as synonyms. Means those words having same meaning. Okay, so they are known as synonyms. Now I will explain you with example. Example, speak and talk. Okay, example, speak and talk. Speak, talk. These two words have same meaning. Speak and talk. Second example I can give you, small and tiny. Now small and tiny means what? They have same meaning, small, tiny. Okay students, so this way I hope you understood the definition and what is meant by synonym. Okay, synonym means the words having similar meaning are known as synonyms. Okay, these just I have given you two examples. You can find out number of words around you. Okay, so students, let's solve these questions. These all questions are taken on synonym only. So you can pause video and take screenshot and write this definition in your IEO's notebook. Learn this. Okay, you remember it in your mind only. Now let's see the questions. Example is given here. Scare. Scare means what? Scared. Four options are there. Loud, afraid, confident or fearless. If we see the face of this boy, how is he looking? He is looking fear. He is frightened. Okay. So let's see. In the fourth option, second one, B option is given afraid and it means only scared. Scare and afraid have same meaning, so it is the synonym of scare. Okay, so option B is correct answer in this example. Now we have to solve the questions for practice. Question is given there. Question A, choose the correct synonym of the given word. Now given words are given here, we have to find its synonym. So let's see. First word is here, ambition. Now what is mean ambition? Ambition means distance, collect, goal or trouble. What is the meaning of ambition? What is the synonym of ambition? So dear students, ambition means goal. Whatever is our goal, whatever we want to achieve, that is known as our ambition. The person having ambition can be known as ambitious. The person is ambitious, means having ambition. Ambition means what? Goal. Okay, target. Second one, ancient. Now ancient, what is ancient? So let's see options: modern, old, new or unique. So students, ancient means what? In history you may have heard this word ancient period or ancient time. Ancient means what? Old. Okay. Modern and new, these two words are opposite of ancient. Okay. So ancient synonym is old. Question number 3. Voyage. Voyage means what? Rest, journey, annoy or fashion. So read carefully this word, students. If you know voyage means what? Voyage means journey. Okay. Journey. When we travel by sea. When we travel by sea with ship or any boat. Okay. So the sea traveling is known as voyage, means journey. Okay, its synonym word is journey. Now fourth one is blink. What is the synonym of blink? So four options again: attention, flicker, aware and attain. So what is mean by blink? What is the correct synonym of blink? Dear students, you know what verb is blink? Blink is an action word. It means when we close and open our eyes, okay, closing, opening, that process is known as blinking. Okay, so blink and flicker, these two words are synonym. They have same meaning. Okay, now fifth word we have to find its answer. Let's read the fifth one. Brilliant. Fifth word is here brilliant. Now brilliant means what? Honest, pattern, intelligent or sly. So it's very easy. Answer is here. Brilliant means intelligent. Okay, having bright mind is known as brilliant or intelligent. Now sixth word on the other side of this page is given here. Yes. Sixth word is here certainty. Okay. Certainty. So what is meant by certainty? Certain or certainty. From the certain, it is meant certainty. Dim, admiration, dependent or surety. So students, certainty and surety are the same word. Okay, when we are sure about something, when we are confident, when we are definite to do something, that time we say I am sure, I am certain. Okay, there is certainty, there is surety. So its synonym is surety. Seventh word is here pioneer. So what is meant by the pioneer? Means which synonym from the option is the correct answer? Synonym pioneer. Seventh one. Pioneer means leader, or it means peace, it means customer or last. So which is the correct answer? Yes, pioneer means leader. Okay. Now strive. Eighth word is here strive. Strive means what? Laze, skip, aim or stress. So which is the correct synonym of strive? Yes, its synonym is answer option number C. Ninth word is here furious. Now furious means what? Furious is one state of our mind. Okay, it is one situation we face sometimes. It is cute, synonym lovable, mindful or angry. So What is the synonym of furious? Its synonym is angry. Okay. And one more word we will take in this video, that is 10th one. Okay. Let's see the 10th word is here, inspire. So what is meant by inspire? What is the synonym of inspire? Inspire means encourage, remark, adjust or depress. Sorry. What is its correct synonym? So its correct answer of this 10th question is option A. Okay, inspire and encourage, these two actions are same. So students, these 10 synonyms, these 10 questions you solve in your notebook. You pause video, take screenshot and rewrite them in your notebook. Okay. I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.